Looking for a smart way to mount your CarPlay screen or dashcam without cluttering your dashboard? This 360 degrees rotatable CD slot mount offers the perfect solution. Its universal ball joint lets you adjust your device to the ideal angle, making every drive more comfortable and safer by keeping your screen in clear view without blocking buttons or vents. What sets this mount apart is its sturdy triangular support base. Designed to fit snugly inside your car's CD slot, it stays firmly in place, even on rough roads. Unlike other mounts that loosen or fall off, this one holds tight, giving you peace of mind no matter how bumpy your ride gets. Versatility is key here. Whether you want to mount a CarPlay screen, dashcam, GPS, or phone holder, this CD slot mount supports devices with screens ranging from 6.86 to 11.30 inches. Just make sure your car has a standard CD slot, not hidden or too close to the gearshift, and you're good to go. Durability matters when it comes to car accessories. Crafted from high-strength nylon, this mount resists scratches and daily wear. Its tough, wear-resistant design ensures it won't break or weaken over time, making it a reliable companion for your daily commute or road trips. Installation couldn't be simpler. Just slide the mount into your CD slot, align the 4 holes on the back of your screen with the mount, and secure it by tightening the knobs. You can mount your device facing up or down, depending on your preference. Just remember to tighten everything firmly so the mount stays secure during use. If you're tired of fumbling with awkward mounts or cluttered dashboards, this CD slot mount offers a clean, reliable alternative. It keeps your devices accessible and stable, enhancing your driving experience without distractions. Worth a look if you want convenience and stability in one sleek package. Ready to upgrade your car setup? This universal CD slot mount delivers on stability, flexibility, and durability. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your vehicle and keep your CarPlay screen or other devices exactly where you need them. Try it when you're ready to enjoy a safer, more organized drive.